Again a big lens, and this time I did something really cool with it. So if you want to know more about this kind of lenses, check out my previous video that I'll link below. I'll explain there everything about these monsters. Again, these lenses can be very dangerous and easily start a fire. Put always a lens cap on it. I have some great news for you today. I will sell the blades from this video on eBay starting at €1 and give one away to my patrons. More about that at the end of my video. Thanks a lot to Wolfgang, he's a former attendee of my wet blade workshop and he sent over that lens and made this video possible, so to say. So now there's no more waiting, let's start with another journey. I think the pencil portrait turned out fantastic. The shallow depth of field looks great. I just love this blade, it's really beautiful. Because the contrast was so high, I did 4 different exposures for the first flower. I think each one of them have a very special look with a very unique bouquet. And just for fun, I merged them digitally into an HDR. Have a look at this one here. So all these blades are available right now on eBay, starting from €1. That means you can own an original wet blade that are made for €1 if you get lucky. I hope you don't get that lucky. Sorry. The last blade with the flowers from my garden goes to one of my Patreons in about 4 weeks. I will do a raffle there, so everybody has a chance to get one. You can support me there as well and get a chance to win the wet blade. Or you just support me there for a year and get a print or a wet blade. Thanks a lot to all of my supporters on Patreon who already do. Yeah, that's the end of this journey, but no worries, I work already on another one that's very different. Until then, guys, I'll be back, guys.